What's up guys, this is Zach with ECS Tuning and we're back one last time on the MK7.5 GTI before we give it to its new owner. We got to put a few finishing touches on the build, and the name of today's game is going to be Protection. We got to get rid of that ridiculous stock plastic oil pan and replace it with our ECS Tuning stainless steel oil pan. It's made out of stainless, so it's going to be a lot stronger than a plastic oil pan, and it increases oil capacity to 7 liters, which is nice. Then beneath that, we're also going to install our street shield, which is real rough and tough. So between the two, you should pretty much be able to drive over anything and be okay. It's obviously also going to be time for an oil change, so we're going to put some good stuff in it. My personal favorite oil, Liqui Moly's Moly Gen. It's great, it's green, you can check for leaks with a UV flashlight, and it should keep this thing running healthy for a long time to come. So that needs done, then we're ready to pack it up for Waterfest, where we're going to give the keys to the new owner. Speaking of which, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but if you haven't gotten a call from us about bringing you to Waterfest, you didn't win the car. But I wanted to talk about the process of selecting the winner just to make sure we're all clear on that. In the US, federal law mandates that when you're running a sweepstakes like this and the grand prize is valued at over $5,000, which that obviously is, you have to defer selection of the winner to an unbiased third-party group. So while I'd like to draw a name out of a hat, that's just not how it works. We collect all our entries and we have to send them to a group of lawyers, and then they're responsible for selecting the winner. So that's how it is, that's how it's got to be, but there is no catch. We are genuinely giving cars away, we're even paying for taxes. So I just wanted to make sure that was clear. Anyway, we're going to have the thing at Waterfest. The new owner is going to be there, so if you're going to be at Waterfest, swing by the Racing Line booth, come say hi to me and Steve and the new owner, and we'd be happy to talk to you. But other than that, I got to get this stuff done, and then that is it for the 7.5.